Are you looking for the best HD home theater? In this video we will show you the 5 best HD home theater streaming Blu-ray DVD player. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Let's dive in. Number 1. Panasonic Streaming 4K Blu-ray Player, with Dolby Vision and HDR10 plus Ultra HD Premium Video Playback, High-Res Audio, Voice Assist, DP-UB9000K, Black. Brand Panasonic. Media Type Blu-ray Disc. Special Feature Voice Assist, streaming 4K video on demand. Connector Type HDMI. Model name DP-UB9000K. Color Black. Audio Output Mode Surround. Premium 4K Ultra HD Blu-ray player for a spectacular home theater experience. Enjoy your library of special edition Blu-ray, rare DVDs, or streamed content in true cinematic style with immersive video and audio. Operating temperature range, plus 5 degrees C to plus 35 degrees C, plus 41 degrees F to plus 95 degrees F. Stunning color and detail, exclusive Panasonic Hollywood Cinema Experience, HCX, tech is applied to 4K high-precision chroma processing for natural textures and depth, maximizing color, clarity, and detail. Studio Master Sound with enhanced clarity, designed for high-resolution audio as it was meant to be heard. Connect to your audio system via twin HDMI for high-res Studio Master Sound. Supports multiple HDR formats. Blu-ray DVD player enables high dynamic range playback of 3 4K/HDR formats, HDR10+, HDR10, and hybrid log gamma, HLG, providing detailed 4K content. Number 2. Sony UBP-X700M2K Ultra HD Home Theater, streaming Blu-ray DVD player, with Wi-Fi, 4K upscaling, HDR10, high residential audio, Dolby Digital True HD/DTS, Dolby Vision, and included HDMI cable. Brand Sony. Media Type Blu-ray Disc. Special Feature Upscaling. Connector Type HDMI. Connectivity Technology Wi-Fi. Model name UBP-X700M. Color Black. See the unrivaled visual clarity of 4K Ultra HD Blu-ray. Play almost any disc and file format including DVDs. Stunning picture with 4K upscaling up to 60p. Listen to music from multiple formats. Dual HDMI outputs for A/V separation and clearer sound. Easy setup with included HDMI cable. Number 3. Sony UBP-X800M2. For KUHD Home Theater, streaming Blu-ray disc player UBP-X800M2. Brand Sony. Media Type MP3, DVD, Blu-ray disc. Special feature 4K high dynamic range, HDR to SDR conversion, high-resolution audio playback, versatile connectivity. Connector type HDMI, coaxial. Connectivity technology Wi-Fi, Ethernet. Bring the theater home. See the unrivaled visual clarity and detail of 4K UHD Blu-ray while watching your favorite content from the comfort of home. Smart functionality, with fast, stable built-in Wi-Fi, you can wirelessly access your favorite streaming apps and services including Netflix, YouTube, Amazon Prime and various others. Features Dolby Vision and HDR10 for incredible viewing detail and accuracy, and DSE-HX. Hear more detail with high-resolution audio, Dolby Atmos and DSE-HX. Anti-vibration construction for clearer sound. Play almost any disc in file format. Stunning picture with 4K upscaling up to 60p. Number 4. Sony X700-2K per 4K UHD. 2D/3D, Wi-Fi CCD, multi-system region-free Blu-ray disc DVD player, PAL/NTSC USB 100-240V 50/60 Hz, comes with 6 feet multi-system. Brand M System. Media Type CD, DVD, Blu-ray disc. Special feature wireless. Connector Type HDMI. Connectivity technology Wi-Fi, USB, HDMI. Model name UBP-X700. CDR/RW, SSD, DVD-R, DVD-RW, DVD, CD, VDRE, VD-ROM, DVD-RDL, VDR-DL, CDDA, VDR-TL, BMP, GIF include JPEG, PNG, MPO, WEBP. AIFF, MP3, FLA, LPCM, AP, HA, WMA10 Pro, WMA9, DSD, ALA, Vorbis, MPEG-1 and MPEG-2, XVID, WMV9, VC1, VCFC supports AVC formats. Number 5. Panasonic DP-UB9000P1K, reference class 4K Ultra HD Blu-ray player. With HDR10 Plus and Dolby Vision playback. Brand Panasonic. Media type DVD, Blu-ray disc. Special feature Blu-ray support. Connector type USB Type-C, HDMI. Connectivity technology HDMI. Model name DP-UB9000P1K. Reference class Ultra HD 4K Blu-ray player with high dynamic range playback for the ultimate home theater experience. Enjoy your library of special edition Blu-ray, DVDs, or streamed content with spectacular, theater quality video and audio power supply, AC 120V, 60Hz. Cinema-worthy picture, HCX, Hollywood cinema experience, processor renders finely nuanced colors and rich, detailed images that film creators intended in high dynamic range playback, supports 4K/HDR formats, HDR10+, HDR10, Dolby Vision, and hybrid log gamma, HLG. Analog audio circuits for incredible audio performance, high-performance D/A converter with a balanced XLR, with dedicated audio power supply. Alumite-treated aluminum chassis has high rigidity and a lower center of gravity to reduce vibration. High connectivity, ESS 32-bit/768 kHz DAC for high-resolution processing. Connect to your home theater with twin HDMI, 2-channel balanced XLR/RCA output terminal, 7.1-channel optical and coaxial audio. Works with Alexa and Google Assistant. Control the DP-UB9000P1K easily using just your voice, with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, sold separately. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.